Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your page on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut, or you can open up your web browser and type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into your Google Docs homepage. Now let's go ahead and open up a document where I can show you how you can change the page color. Once the document is opened up, simply click on the Files and then click on Page Setup. Now from the Page Setup menu, you can change a whole lot of settings, but what we're concerned about is the page color. You can find the page color option at the bottom and there will be a drop-down menu. Simply click on the drop-down menu and now you can select from various colors that are available. You can also set a custom color by clicking on Custom. Just go ahead and select your preferred color, and from the top menu, choose whether you want to apply this to selected page or the whole document. After setting this from the drop-down menu, simply click on OK, and this will immediately change the color of your page on Google Docs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your page color on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.